Most cyber attacks today don't start with hackers breaking in. They start with stolen credentials, trusted devices, or insider access. So why does security still fail, even with firewalls and passwords? That's where zero trust comes in. Traditional security works on one big assumption. If you're inside the network, you're trusted. Firewalls protect the perimeter. Once inside, users often have broad access. But in today's world of cloud, remote work, and mobile devices, that assumption is dangerous. Attackers don't break doors anymore, they log in. Phishing, malware, leaked passwords. Once attackers gain access, traditional systems often trust them completely. That's how small breaches turn into major incidents. Zero trust flips the old model. Instead of trust but verify, zero trust follows one rule. Never trust. Always verify. Every user, device, and request must prove who they are, every time. Think of zero trust like airport security. Even if you're inside the airport, you still need boarding passes, ID checks, and gate verification. Access is limited, monitored, and context-aware. That's zero trust. Zero trust focuses on identity verification, least privilege access. Continuous monitoring. Users get only what they need, nothing more. Even if one account is compromised, the damage stays limited. Zero trust doesn't mean blocking everyone. It doesn't slow business down. It simply removes blind trust. Security becomes smarter, not stricter. Today's systems are no longer locked inside offices. Employees work remotely, data lives in the cloud, and devices connect from everywhere. Zero trust adapts to this reality, verifying identity continuously and reducing risk, even when credentials are stolen. Zero trust isn't about distrusting people. It's about protecting systems in an untrusted world. By removing blind trust and verifying every request, zero trust helps security finally match how we work today. If this helped you understand zero trust, subscribe for more clear, real-world cybersecurity explainers.